Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you'll find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options. You also learn some trading tips, and if you're new in trading, I think that you're not gonna handle it and then you're totally wrong. And if you're a beginner, then open the charts and take notes, and let's get started, guys. Today I'm going to show you a lot of useful stuff. We go at $150 on the balance. We open positions for the maximum trade amount, also always trade in a 1 minute time frame, and one concern indicators. This is the ADX, the Zigzag, and of course the Fractal. So we're gonna use them today. I already got them prepared. All the currency pairs have been picked as well, and there's nothing more stopping us. Let's begin the trading session and start analyzing. We're interested in the highest buy trade. Let's open a long position here right away. Good trade entry, guys. The upward dynamics take place here. This is a clear uptrend. Look at the IDX. There's the crossing in this zone, and the red moving average is heading upwards. This correction shows us that, but while the upward dynamics were expecting to see the reversal of the moving averages, and the IDX line is near the zone 20 now, and yeah, I think we're not gonna see any unpredictable corrections. We can also point out this upper zone, and here's the updating of the local low according to the Zigzag. Basically, the breakout is very likely to happen. Here we go. Look at this green candle. It has a massive body, and we can be 100% sure that the position will end up in profits. And so we're fixing the profit. There are $277 on the balance after the first trade, and we're not gonna drag this out, and let's continue the trading session. So let's carry on analyzing and find the next currency pair. Well, I want to take a look at this one. We see the price dynamics. So let's open a short position here following the trend direction. I'll point the our workspace. There's the sideways trend if we look at the IDX. So we see the resistance level, we see the support zone. The IDX is somewhere around 26 zones. The green line rocketed up, and we're gonna expect it to fall down, and then the red moving average should go upwards, so the crossing is gonna happen. Let's also point out this resistance zone, the updating of the local high according to the Zigzag and Fractal. That's why we're expecting the continue of the downward movement. So far, so good. Look at this massive body of the red candle, and there are several seconds left before the closing, and our position has been closed in profits. And let's update the trade amount. And guys, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, and I want to show you a secret strategy and different information for beginners in trade. You can find all links in the description. Subscribe. Let's get on the trading session and find another currency pair, and let's take a look. What do we got here? A good correction to the downside. No time to lows. We open a long position. We can see the upward dynamics on the trend line. If you look at the ADX, there is a reaction of the moving averages takes place, and this correction indicates us that if we draw the trend line, then we have a good trade entry level. Touch of the support zone has happened, and basically we open with the trend here. We caught a good correction, and the breakout is really like to happen here. Meanwhile, our position has been closing profits, and they're almost $1,000 on the balance, guys, and they're not stopping here. And let's pick another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. I see a good trade entry for a short. we see that the updating of the local high took place here. The touch of the support zone, really important zone by the way. The price almost hit this price maximum. And these candles also have a long shadows, and we assume that the price should continue going down. If you look at this moving average on the ADX, we understand that it's almost at the top. We're expecting to go lower, and here's the reversal of the red moving average. The zigzag and fractal shows as the reading of the local high. Basically, we have so many signals that the price should go down, and I'm not okay with this candle so far. If you look back here, the candles used to have larger bodies, and we can see the same picture here. And whoever our position is in profits, it was correct trade entry, and that's why we need a 1 minute time frame, guys. Let's change the trade amount and refresh the page, and we can continue trading session, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's take a look what do we got here. There's clear flat so far, but here's a great trading opportunity, guys. Let's open a long. I point out the workspace. The ADX shows us nothing specific. Theoretically, we understand that there's a franc flat on the currency pair, so we should really on the ADX here, and we should point out the touch of this upper zone, and basically we should assume this zone as potential pullback, and that's why we open it a long position. So far so good. We're a little late here. In theory we open it a little earlier, like here or there, then it would be super safe. However, this way a random impulse candle can screw us up a little bit, and basically there are several seconds left before the closing, and another position has been closed with the profit, guys. We're going good. What do you think, guys? I like the way things are going, so I'm expecting some feedback from you guys if you tried using these indicators. But we're not gonna stop here, and let's continue the trading session and find another currency pair. Let's take a look. What do we got here? Wow, look at this huge correction, guys. I want to open two long positions here, guys. I will point out the workspace. Look, we should point out this upper zone. Actually, the price broke it down. In theory, the price could go off going down to this level, but I'm taking a risk here. I think a small pullback is inevitable here. We see the updating of the zigzag, and if you look at the ADX, the current moving average is currently at the bottom, and I'm expecting to see the reversal, and I think our positions should be closed in profits. We couch a beautiful pullback. There are around 5 seconds left before the closing, and you can see the candle has a huge body, very nice breakout, and we're fixing the profit. There are more than $4,000 on the balance, really decent result, but I don't want to stop on this. I want to multiply the profit even more, and let's continue our trading session and find another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. I think we should open our 4 long positions here. We see that our candle has a long shadow, and basically there are a lot of long shadows, which indicate that the price is going to go up. And let's also point out this upper zone. The price touched it many times, and basically the price should move to the upside. That's my thinking, and theoretically we understand that there was a good correction to the downside from this point, and we also can't really on the ADX now because here's the flat movement dominates. The ADX doesn't show us anything. The moving average is at the bottom here, low volatility, and we should look at the fractal and the zigzag and take into consideration support zone and the resistance zone. And meanwhile our positions have been closed in profits. Not bad, guys, not bad. I think we should consolidate our profits. Let's refresh the page and open our final positions. There is no stopping here, and let's find the final currency pair. Let's analyze properly and open our positions. We see the price is heading downwards right after the pullback. We're gonna see the updating of the zigzag, I guess. Here we also see the downward movement. And let's open our long positions here. I think this is a good trade entry. Let's take a look at the ADX right away. I want to bring to your attention the current moving average. We see that it's reversing to the upside. The ADX line is around the zone 25, where there's also a bullish signal. Theoretically, the price is gonna go up. Here is a good correction took place. The updating of the fractal and the zigzag, and that's why we're expecting to continue the upward movement. I don't think that the downward dynamics will go on. And there we go. And we need to look at this beautiful breakout, guys. The price is heading up to this level, but actually we don't care. Basically the position is in profits. They're around $14,000 on the balance. Good outcome, don't you think, guys? And this is where we stop for today. Really productive trading session. We started from $150. Let's withdraw the money. I'm gonna withdraw $14,000. Keep this $15. The balance, no big deal. And our transaction is being processed. I'll take the screen where it's done, and thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the comments down below, your thoughts on this strategy, on these indicators. You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram. It's main rule, subscribe to my Telegram. All strategy you can find in the Telegram. And guys, I want to say thank you for watching, and bye bye.